Okay, new angle today. Let me just adjust it. So I don't know भाई मैं कैसा दिख रहा हूँ, बट क्या आ रहा होगा क्या नहीं. So again I am, यार ये मिल नहीं, मिलाने दो मेरे को. चलो देखते हैं कितना मिला. इट्स अगेन शिकंजी विद हनी इन इट. 3 नींबू निचोड़े तो विटामिन सी की सारी कमी पूरी हो जाएगी. आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ शिकंजी. Anyways, the day today is day 12 if I'm not wrong of my modern warrior challenge. और आज again I woke up late and I don't know if this is the right thing that I'm doing with myself or not. बट यार मेरा नेचुरल स्लीपिंग टाइम जो है और नेचुरल वेकिंग टाइम जो है वो 12 से 8 ये है. मैं इस चीज़ में बहुत देखो अभी क्या है, अभी मैं अलार्म के बिना उठ रहा हूँ. आज भी मेरा अलार्म नहीं लगा था, पता नहीं क्या हुआ, बजा नहीं. तो आज भी मैं अराउंड 8 साढ़े 8 बजे उठा था. ठीक है, तो मेरे को नींद जैसा लगता नहीं है. और अब मैं कुछ कंक्लूजन में नहीं निकाल के दे सकता ना अपने आप को ना किसी और को, क्योंकि मैं कंसिस्टेंट 5 बजे तक उठा ही नहीं हूँ और मैं रात में सो ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ 10 बजे. आज 12 बजे कुछ मैं अपलोड करूँगा ये वीडियो, तो वही है यार, लेट हो रहा है. एंड वन साइड ऑफ मी इज सेइंग कि भाई अगर लाइफ में इतनी सारी चीज़ें चल रही हैं तो बेटर स्टे अप लेट till 12 or so and do the work as soon as you wake up. The only thing that matters right now is whether the reason why I'm doing this challenge is because I want to level up as a person and I want to make more money. And right now all I care about is money, leveling up as a person and till a certain extent of money. मतलब ये भी नहीं कि बस पैसा पैसा, बट टिल अ सर्टेन एक्सटेंट. सी यूजुअली लोग जो हैं, मैं बैठ ही जाता हूँ सही से इस पर. यूजुअली लोग जो हैं पैसे को ईविल की तरह देखते हैं, बट आई डोंट. एटलीस्ट आई डू, बट नॉट टिल द एक्सटेंट ऑफ अ नॉर्मल पीपल दैट मेक्स इट ईविल. I feel money is a very spiritual thing that you can have in your life. You can add a lot of things to other people's life when you have money. See, why am I saying that is because once I will have money, suppose I have consistent source of income जो मेरे को 50 लाख रुपए पर मंथ ला के दे रहा है या 1 करोड़ रुपए पर मंथ ला के दे रहा है. अब now what will happen is I'll be financially free first of all. तो मेरे को किसी को देने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एंड इफ आई एम गिविंग द मनी टू द पर्सन एंड आई एम गिविंग इट more than the average person that does, I'm adding value to his or her life. And if she's feeling happy with that money when she's receiving or he's receiving it, then there's a certain level of satisfaction that I'll get to and they'll get to, and they'll do certain things with that money. Some people will do bad things, some people will do good things, but considering the good things that they'll do, they'll feed their family, they'll feed their children, they'll feed the society, maybe whatever the good things that they are doing, they'll serve. I mean, in terms of spirituality, I'll get some karma out of that कि मैंने कुछ उनकी लाइफ में कंट्रीब्यूट किया, एंड बिकॉज दे आर कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू देयर ओन फैमिली एंड वट एवर देयर फैमिली ट्री इज और वट एवर द थिंग्स आर, आई एम गेटिंग अ लिटिल एडिशन ऑफ कर्मा इन माई लाइफ टू. So not just making money in terms of just making money, it's making money to serve people. and not just serve people, serve your family. Like your mother and father has given you a lot of things in your life, and you are doing all of these things in life not because I mean, some people does these things, but considering me and my perspective, I don't want to do this just for myself, because I've thought about it a lot of times. If my mom and dad and my family dies all of a sudden, which is very unfortunate and I don't want it to happen, it's just the saying. I mean, if my family and my loved ones and everyone dies, I won't be motivated enough to make the money that I want to make. There's no purpose for me. I'll still make money. I'll still survive. I'd like to survive, but there'll be no intrinsic motivation to chase that big of a money. I'll be happy with just my base limit, and I won't be I'll be like, I just want to survive this life, that's it. I don't want more out of it. I'll lose hope. So that's the thing. I'm not doing this just for myself, this money thing. If that's my goal from where this conversation started, I'm doing this because I want to serve people around me, majorly my family, my friends. I don't want that if I have the money, they should suffer. Of course, man, everyone has this spiritual journey everyone has their own path. They'll be on that path. I can't do much about it, but of course I can help them financially in some way or another. And if I can do that, that will be more than enough for me. I mean, I'll be happy, because right now if someone asks me for money and other things in general, I mean, I'd like to gift people some things that they want, and if I'm not able to do that, then I'm still lagging in getting the money. So my goal is just get fucking rich, have enough money to sustain yourself, your family, your friends, maybe even your society. I don't even care. So that's the goal with the money, and that's why I think money is a spiritual thing. And apart from that, my goal is money and to level up as a person. And if I'm not leveling up as a person, then I'm not doing something that will add value to my life. I don't know what I just said. So the thing is, I'm a little confused if I should be rigid in this moment of my life, or I should be a little fluent, because my one self is saying, okay bro, just sleep at whatever time you feel you should sleep, and wake up at whatever time you feel like waking up. But that's not how things work, right, in the real world. I mean, that's not how you should discipline yourself. You should there's a plane going over there. You should have a fixed time. And like, why am I saying this? This is a very deep conversation that I'm having right now. Why am I even saying this? It's purely because people have fed me, and social media has fed me, that you should have a fixed waking up time and a fixed sleeping time. If I consider my situation, this fixed time will work. Will fixed time work? I think yes, it will. But will this fixed time work, which I have right now, 10 to 5, considering the level of work that I have, the clients that I have? I'm not feeling like that it will work. But again, I can't give any conclusion to this. See, again, I'll be sleeping at 12:30, and I'll be waking late tomorrow again. There's a lot of work that I have to do in upcoming days. we are bombarded with work. So I don't know if that's the right thing or not. I'll have to probably think about it and get a hold of it. I don't want to be rigid in this. I'll have to be a little fluent, listen to the body and what my mind is saying and go according to that. But at the same time, I'll have to be a little disciplined too, so that my inner self doesn't go off the track. So I'll probably change my sleeping time and wake up time. The rest of the things are just cool enough for me. I mean, I'm doing little workouts here and there. At least these 2 days I have done little workouts, not much of them. Maybe वो वर्कआउट की तरह भी काउंट करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं, आई डोंट इवन नो. जब भी फ्री हो जाता हूँ कुछ इधर उधर पंचिंग कर लिया. आई डोंट थिंक सो वो वर्कआउट काउंट करने चाहिए, तो नहीं करता हूँ. 1-2 मिनट पंच करना इज़ नॉट अ वर्कआउट. मेडिटेशन भी कल भी नहीं किया था, परसों भी नहीं किया था. So yeah, because of work, I shouldn't say because of work, because of my leniency in myself, I've gone a little off track. But am I growing? Yeah, I am growing. I mean, I'm learning new shit every day about my business. I'm getting reality checks. I'm getting all of the behind the scenes that I should be knowing about running a business. So in terms of running a business and learning about things, I'm doing that definitely. But for the rules that I've set in my challenge, am I following that? No, that's probably not all of them, but most of them. मैंने journal भी नहीं किया है. So I don't know if this fluentness will help me or not, but let's see if this will or not. That's just comes down to experimenting, right? So I don't know what time will I be setting, but I'll at least try my level best. I've not have I tried my level best to sleep at 10 p.m. sharp? No, I have not. I just went with the flow. If it allowed me to sleep at 10, I slept. So what I'll do is I'll try my level best to sleep at 10 and wake up at 5. And then after 21 days, let's conclude what comes and what goes. So that's pretty much it. काफ़ी सारा, apart from all of that, काफ़ी सारा client का काम आ गया. Clients are disappointed with the work, and we'll have to surpass the level of quality that we are doing right now. There's a lot of chaos that is going on in the agency, and there's a lot of transmutation that is going on in me as a person, because I'm learning about agency, new things every day, and I'm getting reality checks कि यार agency ऐसे नहीं चलती. So agency का भी है, उस पर कभी और बात करेंगे बैठ के. अभी तो यार बहुत हो गया, मेरे फ़ोन की स्टोरेज भी भर जाएगी. So that was my day 12 और कल day 13 पे देखते हैं कैसा होता है. I don't think so मैं सुबह जल्दी उठने वाला हूँ, and I don't want to wake up early because दिन ख़राब हो जाएगा पूरा, दिन में सोना पड़ेगा. तो let's see how that goes. I'm just not in the thinking mode right now. Let's see. See you. That was a nice little talk.